Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable one-handed mode on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll to the very bottom and go into Smart Assist, one-handed mode, enable it. And you have two options, there pull screen to reach, oh my god. So to access the one-handed mode, just have to make a gesture like this, like if you want to go up, but just to the bottom, yeah. Or the second one was show notification, and you will have notification, I guess. That's going to just allow you. Yeah, you have to enable the one-handed mode shortcut. Okay, and now just up here, and it's going to open the notifications for you. So that's how this works. Okay, so that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.